Tired of accidentally buying that 10th dress from Shein? Let's cut those impulse purchases by removing your saved card. First, launch the Shein app on your phone or tablet. Make sure you're logged into the account where you want to remove the card details. Now, tap on the Me icon located in the bottom right-hand corner of the screen. This will take you to your account dashboard. Next, find the settings icon in the upper right-hand corner of the Me page. It looks like a little gear. Tap on it. You'll now see a settings menu. Scroll down this page until you find an option that says Payment Methods. Once you find it, tap on it to proceed. Here, you'll see a list of your saved payment methods. Find the card you wish to remove. Next to your card details, you'll see either a trash can icon or an edit button. The exact appearance may vary slightly depending on your app version. If you see a trash can icon, simply tap on it. A confirmation pop-up will appear asking if you're sure you want to delete the card. Tap Yes or Confirm to remove the card. If you see an edit button, tap on it. This will allow you to edit the card details. Delete the card number, expiration date, and CVV code. After you've cleared all the information, tap on Save or Submit to update your payment methods. And that's it. Your card has now been successfully removed from your Shein account. You can now shop with a little less temptation. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a like and subscribe for more easy tech tips.